Welcome! And today in the kitchen, we're going to make spaghetti with a machete. Alright, so for today's blade, the 18-inch tramontina machete. So there's not a lot we can do or need to do with the machete, so we'll try to do as much as possible with it. Just try and do everything we can with the machete. First thing, of course, fill up your water. Next thing, we need to add a little bit of salt to the water. Not sure how much that is, but as you know, in the South, we just kind of do things as we do. Okay, next I'm going to put a little butter in the water. Come on, there we go. And get this set to boil. Come on, there it goes. Okay, and while that water boils, we must prepare the noodles. Yeah, okay, that's probably not gonna work. By first, with these noodles, we have to, they're too long for the pot, so we gotta break them in half. So while waiting for the water to boil, I just noticed something. The tramontina, or at least this one, does not have a sharp end to it. The blade stops, as you can see right there, and then goes blunt. So that's why I couldn't cut the bag open, because I was trying to use the tip, and the tip is not there. There's no tip. It's blunted at the front. Yeah. So that can be corrected with a grinder or something, but you can see. Look at that. Side to side, up and down. There is no edge. No tip. It goes right about where my knuckle is, my thumb knuckles is where it goes blunt. Okay, the water's starting to bubble and boil, so now go ahead and put this in. About a handful is what you need per person. I'm getting this all over the floor too. Oh, the wife's gonna kill me. There we go. Get that in there. Oops, sorry. Alright, well, there's not much more we can do with the machete for the spaghetti, so thanks for watching. Well, okay, there's a little bit more we can do. While the noodles are boiling, we can work on the sauce. So, what I'm going to do is, of course, as I always say, more butter. Then we're also Gonna do tomatoes. Trying to do this without touching the tomatoes. So we'll make this sauce a little chunky, like me. Okay. The way to do it, but okay. A little bit of stem on that one. Just go ahead and do these by hand. Okay. Yes, pre-canned sauce. Yes, pre-canned sauce. But we'll go ahead and put a little extra in it. A little extra in it just to give it a little more kick. Some of that Dan's Magic Mountain. And a very tiny dash of garlic salt. Might be too salty, we'll see. Hopefully not. Stir it up. Needs a little more sauce in there. And there we go. Okay, as that continues to warm up and boil, we'll put the sauce on a low so it can start to warm up. Noodles are doing well. Let's give them a little push so they don't stick. Sauce starting to steam. Give it a little stir. Rinse that off. Turn up the heat on that a little bit and we'll almost be done. Okay, let's check the noodles. Come on. Oh yeah, see how those are? Those look good. Now noodles continue to cook after you turn the heat off, so that's why you always want to end just a little bit before you think they're done, or as soon as they're done immediately, so that you don't want them to overcook in their own juices, I guess, in the old boiling water that it absorbed. Also, this, give it a little shake. We're gonna turn it down, not off but down. Another little stir. Also, when cooking with edged tools, try not to scrape the pots and pans. Okay, sorry I couldn't show you the big puff of steam, but I lost my strainer, so. Okay, decided to pour it by hand. Turn this off, it's good to go. Also, always move things to the cool burners so you don't burn and stick. Well, I guess I should be using the machete for this. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. As I just said, careful not to scrape. I don't think there's a way I can serve this up in, well, I probably could serve it up in a bowl. but that would get a little messy. To serve it up in a bowl with the machete. So we'll just do this. And there you have it. Spaghetti with a machete. So remember, use your tools, learn how to use them. Hey, you can cook something, have fun. Remember, get outside and enjoy life. Take care. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.